Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Guns and Gadgets. We have figured out now, we have been on the watch of who Gavin Newsom, the governor of California, would select as his appointee to replace Senator Dianne Feinstein, who passed away recently. And by all reaches of the imagination, he has checked all of the boxes. We found out last night who he selected. I will tell you a little bit about her because she is another big activist who will not be voting in the favor of the Constitution, would be my prophecy, I guess. Her name is LaFonza Butler, and she is the president of Emily's List. Emily's List stands for Early Money is Like Yeast, and it was created as a group, an activist group, to get women involved to run and win in political positions in which they would advocate against abortion. She's 44 years old, and she is now the first openly gay black woman to represent California in the United States Senate. She has a long career, and she is very connected to Gavin Newsom and to Kamala Harris. I'll touch on her career real quick because people are going to be wanting to know about our newest U.S. Senator, however, not elected. Before joining Emily's List, Butler served as a director of public policy and campaigns at Airbnb. And she partnered at the political consulting firm SCRB Strategies, which is now called Bear Star Strategies. And their clients included Gavin Newsom, former Oakland Mayor Libby Schaaf, and then Senator Kamala Harris. So the firm is very familiar with people who are helping her reach her political aspirations. She also was a union president for over a decade at the local 2015, which represents, I think it's more than 325,000 nursing home and home care workers throughout California. She was also a senior advisor to Vice President Kamala Harris during her presidential campaign. Remember when she said that Joe Biden was a diddler, and then he picked her he was told that she was his running mate. She also held, she was appointed as a UC regent by Governor Jerry Brown, and she was at that post until 2021. She was born in Magnolia, Mississippi, and she was also a big driving force for starting unions for nursing nursing careers in different parts of the country. And she's also on record, if you look at her Facebook and dive deep into Emily's List, you will find that she is a big proponent of gun control. So there we go. That's a quick rundown of the newest U.S. Senator out of California, instilled by Governor Gavin Newsom. We found out about this last night, late evening. So I just wanted everybody to know that, shocker, another left-wing nut has anti-constitutional type person has been selected as U.S. Senator. Now, will she be elected is the question. So we'll have to watch her short career here as she fills in for Feinstein's term. And I didn't see anything last night. I didn't really dig hard either, I'll be honest with you, because I didn't think Gavin Newsom would do this. Maybe they'll call a special election to actually elect the U.S. Senator for the short term that's left, but I doubt it. They're just going to want to put their person there to do their bidding. But it was not Gavin Newsom. So he didn't select himself, which I thought was going to be an entertaining watch. So that's our newest U.S. Senator out of California, if you were wondering, if you cared. But those of us who watch politics closely cared, and they put her in quick so that they wouldn't miss any lefty votes. But that's the news for the morning. Guys and gals, if you've noticed my cool Brownell shirt, just wanted to let you know that you can save big at Brownells with the code GNG10. At your purchase, you can use it all the time, all year long. And I suggest you do it, because saving money is great when you buy things that we love. I appreciate y'all. Have a fantastic day. I will be watching, because today we should hear something in the Mock v. Garland case, the pistol brace case in the Northern District of Texas, the 5th Circuit, because Judge Reed O'Connor's deadline was up on Saturday. He didn't do anything Friday. He didn't release anything Saturday. He didn't release anything Sunday. And most circuits, they treat the weekend like it's not a business day. So in theory, he has to render something today, because the deadline on a weekend pushes it to Monday. So we'll see. I will keep you up to date. If you want to know what's going on in the pistol brace issue, then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel down below. Hit that bell icon so that you're notified of when I put out new content or go live. And I hope you enjoy this wonderful day. Be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe. Appreciate y'all. Take care.